Today we're going to open up the Thinker's Planner. I actually don't know anything about this. I honestly don't even know how I found it. I forgot that I ordered it. It's one of those things that came in, like I ordered it 3 weeks ago, and then it finally came in. So this was not cheap. This was $59, and then shipping was another $9, so it was like $68. So yeah. Oh, and this is my anti-scar medication on my arms from when I was cat sitting Loki, and he got a little crazy. And so, anyways, I got some prescription level scar medication. In case you're wondering, I am happy to share that with you, but let's connect. Oh, it's a little postcard, so you could, I guess, reuse this for anything. Dream big. You've got this. And we have goal sheets, we have monthly highlight, habit tracker, daily page, weekly reminder. These are so light. And I know you're like, is it your camera? It's not. I mean, I cannot see anything. So if they were trying to hide what that was, they did a great job. I'm not sure what the point of that was, but we have some nice tissue paper. So the box is like a plain brown box. And then we have some bubble wrap here, which is around, I believe, a box. So very nice packaging. And this fit perfectly within that box. They didn't even have to put, you know how sometimes you have to put extra bubble wrap in case the box is too big or something like this. So here we have Make Things Happen Every Day, dailythinker.com, made in China. And where is, I don't know what the rules are. I don't know if you have to specify so that something's made in China, if it is a paper product versus like something for children or some other kind of product. But yeah, that's new. I don't think I've seen that before. Okay, so the Daily Thinkers, and it's a nice mint green box, which is always a great color. If you're not sure what color to use, Tiffany has done an amazing job of making this like a luxury brand color. And here we go. We have more bubble wrap, which I always appreciate, especially when you have these O coils. They're so easy to get bent or to get damaged during shipping. So ours are perfectly intact. This is massively huge. I'm gonna get a ruler because it's so big. This is like 1.5 inches. So super, I don't know if you saw that. I keep forgetting the camera's closer now. I've moved it. So, okay, so we have a chipboard here on the front and on the back. And it looks like we have some gold foiling here with their little logo. And this is actually really nice. Sometimes they just have the white for the interior page, and then no one actually puts anything on there. So I think that's very cute. And it looks like we have a bookmark that we can pop in and out, just like the Erin Condren ones. And over here, always the easiest questions, your name and your contact info, which honestly, I think I've only found one person's planner ever, and that was my friend Teresa, in which obviously I returned it because we're friends, but I guess there are good Samaritans out there who would find a stranger's planner and return it. All right, so January at a glance, we have the whole year. We have some space here to write important dates. Over here, we have holidays for the year. And it's always interesting to me when people include Canadian holidays. So I'm like, are they in Canada? Or maybe, who knows? Like, I guess if a lot of your sales are in Canada, you might want to include those. Most of my foreign sales are Australia and New Zealand. All right, so there's space here to write 6 goals. And then we have goal brainstorm. Your first goal, brainstorm a list of tasks needed to achieve this goal. And the dates. Oh, you get 2 spaces for your first goal. Same thing, 2 pages for your second, your third, your fourth, your fifth, and your sixth, which in theory, I guess that's all you would complete for the year. The best time for new beginnings is now, unknown. I don't know if I like that font. I don't know. Let me know. I'm being picky now. Okay, habit tracker. So it looks like every month begins on a Saturday, Sunday. So that's, oh, no. I lie. Listen to me. This is January. So for January, every January starts on a Saturday. And it's my biggest pet peeve. It's starting the month on a Monday. We all know how much I hate that. It's like nails on a chalkboard to see the month start on a Monday. Even YouTube, when you go to schedule a video, used to do that, and they've since switched it because I know I'm not alone. I know other people hate that. So anyways, first things first, I would throw out this whole planner just because of that. I don't think I realized that. Maybe I didn't look very closely when I saw it online. But okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4 times 3, that's 12 habits they want you to work on each month. I think that's crazy. That's way too many habits. Let's see, goals, event for January. You get a 2-page spread for January. Again, totally worthless because it starts on a Monday. I would 100% miss every appointment, screw up every date. I just don't know why this is like a thing. Is this, maybe it's a Canadian planner. It's like, maybe it had the Canadian dates. I don't know if that's like popular in Canada. By Pooja Masquet. I guess Pooja Masquet. No, published in the United States of America. Print and bound in China using the highest quality materials available. So I guess it's just Pooja is an American who loves monthly layouts that start on Monday. But let's go ahead and look at the daily layout. So we have daily gratitude, priorities, to-do, notes, schedule. Daily gratitude, priorities, to-do, notes. So it looks like this is a Saturday, this is a Sunday. That's what Saturday, Sunday looks like. This is a weekday. You get like the whole spread versus Saturday, Sunday. It has to be shared. And then over here on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, you get the whole page to use. So do I like it? Yeah, I mean, there's enough space there for you to get enough things to get done. Do I hate the monthly layout enough where it doesn't matter? Yes. Yes, that is true because I just can't stand the Monday start. And it's not even like personal preference. It's just like my brain logically thinks that this first column is Sunday. And because of that, I will never get anything correct. I would always have to like cross things out and redo them and so on and so forth. Ooh, Valentine's Day is on a Monday this year. And see, I would see that and be like, oh, that's a Sunday, but it's not a Sunday. Okay, so it looks like it does a rinse and repeat. You get one quote for each new month. And every month it follows the same. And so the end of the month, you just get a blank page. Yep. And that's pretty much it. So June, July, August, September, October. So that's why this thing is so freaking huge, is because it's a daily planner. And let's see. So we get to the very, very end. We have a notes page. We have 2023 at a glance. We have some stickers over here and a pocket folder. I think you can see that. And then the pocket folder has another side over here, a little very, very light ombre kind of design here on the back. It's another pocket folder. And this is actually pretty like sturdy. So yeah, like the sides over here, like A+ for making this more like a fabric, because when these are paper, I think they just rip off. Like anytime I've tried to put something in there, it like rips off and is gone in 2 seconds. Okay, so this is the only problem with the oak oil once you get back to the edge, because of this little thing. It always has to be in that position instead of like a true all the way down spiral. So let me know what you thought. I mean, I think this is good if you're going to stick it on your desk and only use the dailies. Otherwise, I do feel like, again, the monthlies are just confusing unless you're like someone who can totally jive with the Monday start and can switch your brain to always switch off to that, which I cannot. And plus I don't like it. So like I'm resisting the change. But let me know what you thought. I think this is a great addition to, a daily planner. If this is a daily is kind of what you're looking for and that's your thing. And it obviously has the bookmark, which is very kind of incognito, right? So you can put it up the top or you can throw it down at the bottom. So, all right, remember, if you would like to create your own planner, make sure to sign up for my free course, Planner 101. I hope everyone's having a fabulous day, and I'll talk to you later.